Ford Expedition key fob programming involves synchronizing the fob's radio frequency transmitter with the vehicle's immobilizer system for secure communication. For models 2007 to 2020, ignition cycling is the primary method. Insert a working key, cycle the ignition off, and so on, then press the fob buttons to pair. Newer models use the infotainment system, such as Sync 4 or 4A, or the Ford Pass app for remote pairing. Access settings on the touchscreen to program the fob. Digital keys available in 2022 and later models allow keyless access through phone apps like Ford Pass. Pair your device for convenient entry. Security includes rolling codes that change with each use to prevent cloning and relay attacks. The process must be done quickly, within 20 to 30 seconds, to avoid timeouts. Improper pairing can trigger a key not detected error. Newer Ford Expedition models from 2022 and later support remote pairing through the Sync infotainment screen or the Ford Pass mobile app. First, unlock the vehicle using an existing working key. Then, press the Settings icon on the Sync touchscreen. Navigate to Vehicle menu, then Keypad or Remote Start, and select Program Key Fobs. Follow the on-screen prompts, which will ask you to press buttons on the new key fob, such as Lock and Unlock twice. You can also use the Ford Pass mobile app for remote pairing and to create digital keys that can be shared through Bluetooth or NFC. Make sure the vehicle's battery is well charged to prevent pairing issues. If you have a lost or faulty key fob, you may need an OBD2 scanner or to visit a Ford dealer for reprogramming. Digital keys can be conveniently shared with up to 8 devices using Bluetooth or NFC technology.